Hey, it's me, Brian Buell, owner, Bonsai Cycle Works. Today we've got a Niner Rip 9 carbon in the stand, and we're going to overhaul the rear shock, which I'll show you today. And then later, I won't show you this, but we'll be overhauling the pivots too. This bike gets a lot of use and not enough maintenance. So he has ridden the shock to the point where we have to replace some parts on the inside and outside because he's worn the coating off on part of it, and I'll show you that in the video. So let's get started. Alright, so this is our shock. We have a RockShox Monarch RT-HV, HV high volume, and then it does have an RT is rebound and threshold. Rebound is a red knob, threshold is this, basically you can call it a lockout, but it's not really a lockout. It just increases the threshold of the lockout system, so it will actually blow off whenever it goes into travel, if you hit something hard enough. It's an air shock, has a high volume can, which means it's got this extra sleeve on the outside, and we are going to overhaul it, take the whole thing apart. And one thing you'll notice, the stanchion here is rubbed, like severely. So his complaint was when he's riding, he was losing air pressure. So he'd air it up before the ride, and then by the end of the ride, he'd lose 50 psi or so. Well, the reason why is because of these grooves here. Okay, so as it goes into travel, it will compress, and when it compresses, this goes inside the shock where the air chamber is. Well, the problem with the grooves is it's not smooth, of course, so when the grooves go inside, they grab some air, and as it extends, it pulls it out. Or if it's sitting here with the grooves are kind of halfway, it allows a little seepage, little trough for the air to come out. So we're going to replace that with a new one, as well as all these parts inside right here. So let's do this.